can enhance and transform any room or personal workspace with this unique diffuser. The contemporary circle design offers a sleek, modern look as well. Hey, this is Lance McGowan with Essential Oils Me, and today we're going to talk about the benefits and uses of doTERRA's Brevi Marble Diffuser. The primary use is aromatic, so that means putting essential oils of your choice in there and breathing it in. And the main benefits of this Brevi Marble Diffuser are that it's ideal to run in personal spaces for 2 to 5 hours continuously or up to 10 hours intermittently. This diffuser also cleans the air, uplifts your mood, or calms and relaxes depending on which doTERRA essential oil you choose. The directions for use are combining this diffuser with 6 to 10 drops of the Cirtus Bloom blend and water. You can also place this diffuser in your kitchen, living room, bedroom, or office for best results. Well, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the like button if you did, share this video with somebody that would benefit from it, and most importantly, check out the links in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on, and I'll see you in the next video.